Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Patricia, creator of the Mother Unplugged, and I'm here to teach you how to make some face masks. It's a no-sew tutorial. Basically, everybody's making masks right now. You know, the CDC has recommended that, Americans start covering their nose and their mouth when they go outside. And people are asking me why I'm not making masks. So, here we go. I'm not sewing masks because it's just fabric. A lot of these companies, and this is not to talk bad about anybody, girl, get your business, do what you gotta do. But for the majority, most people are just sewing fabric. And in a time where people are struggling to pay rent, bills, figuring out if they're gonna be able to get unemployment, because that's a whole mess. There's a lot going on right now, and I'm not comfortable selling you something that I know you can just DIY yourself. So here we are. I'm gonna give you 3 ways to make a face mask. So the first one up is a bandana. I sell bandanas. This is from my shop. I'm not trying to sell you anything right now. If you got a bandana, just grab it. If you got a scarf, something square that you could fold in a triangle, that's it. Put it over your nose. Tie it in the back. And what I would do is tuck this in my shirt and go about my day. Simple. Number 2 is get a t-shirt. Right? This may be a little hard to do with my fro. I just took out some flat twists. And you're going to tie the sleeves around your face. Tie it. You could double knot it if you want. You're going to open your t-shirt. Now you could just use this, but if you want the whole face thing, pull it over your head. You wouldn't do it with your shirt on the opposite side, so you don't have like the label there, but bam, you can go outside. If you want another layer around the mouth, because this shirt is a little thin, I would just take this, place it here, and knot it in the back. That's number 2. Okay, for the third method, you're gonna need a bandana or fabric and 2 hair ties. Let me show you. Okay, you're gonna take your bandana. You're going to fold it this way, right? Gonna fold it again. You're gonna take hair ties, gonna put one here. And you're gonna put it kind of in the center. Take another hair tie, put it on the other side. Perfect, right? Then you're gonna take this and fold that in. Take this side, fold that in. Probably wanna put it in a little more. All right? Now this one, you're getting a lot of layers of fabric protection. And then you're gonna put it on. Let me show you. Okay, one ear. Let me take out these hoops. One ear across another ear. Bam. And there you have it, 3 DIY face masks. I really hope this video helps somebody, and I wish everybody stays safe and sane during this chaotic time, and know that you are important and it's okay, because the only thing you need to do right now is survive. You are not obligated to do anything else but survive. Peace.